Hi, I'm Mario. Nice to meet you. Piacere.
This is Mario Vallera, a certified Neapolitan
Pizza. Yes.
And I want to talk a little bit about how do you get certified to become a pizza maker? It's called VPN.
Yes. Our association is called VPN, Verace Pizza Napoletana. It's okay. And we are here representing the ancient old way of traditional Napolitan pizza. So the way that the certification work is basically we need to have one certified pizzaiolo in the pizzeria. You, as an owner, need to use a certain oven. It can be favorite wood burning or gas or soon enough electric. You will need to use certain ingredients, which is flour, cheese, tomato, certified or sponsored with the association, VPN, Verace Pizza Napoletana. And most of everything, you need to have the will to do it, and you need to have the passion to do it. So you will have to have a certain pizzas on the menu, like marinara and margherita is a must. And then most of the pizza, they need to be kind of pizza that are okay to be sold in America and in Naples. You know, we have some standards that need to be respected. Those are the main, I would say, requirements for being certified Verace Pizza Napoletana.
So does it take long to become certified?
Well, it takes a course, so you need to come to our location, either in Napoli, if you want, in Italy, or in Marina del Rey, in California, or Japan. We have different schools all around the world. You need to get a certification, and then back to your pizzerias, you need to show us some video, the slab, the way you actually bake the pie, 90 seconds up there, certain kind of fermentation rules need to be respected. And then we submit all the application to Naples, and a couple of months later, you will get a certification from us.
Okay, perfect. Now, last time we spoke, you were making a peanut butter pizza.
Yeah, that was a popcorn. It was a popcorn dust pizza with caviar, truffle caviar, and yeah, it was a little bit of peanut butter in it, and a white pie. Yeah, it was a little bit crazy. Yeah, a little bit crazy pizza. Yeah.
It's all on the taste, Mario.
It's all on the taste. It's all on the taste. Yes.
Now, you live in California. I understand you're looking at going to another kind of business.
Yeah, we are. I live in California. I have a pizzeria in California, and then we open a bar, a cocktail bar, and we actually going to open in about 4 to 5 months a sushi bar. So the front of it's going to be a beautiful bar with cocktail, and in the back we're going to have a sushi bar, but with an Italian infusion. So we're going to have some Italian touch in it. Okay. You know, truffle, olive oil. Actually, going to have a little bit of fried dough too. So we're going to have a sushi inspired by Italian and French cuisine as well.
Oh, I love that. So you're going to take it, you're taking sushi, which is traditionally Japanese, but you're going to add your own culture to the whole mix.
Yeah, as well my chef Yoshi, is from Japan. He used to work in a very famous Italian restaurant in Tokyo, and he loved pasta, pizza, olive oil, truffle, botarga. So he integrates the Italian fare in the sushi. But as well, of course, there's a lot of French with a touch, like clean butter, the way that we actually present the dish. So some very big French technique.
Yeah. But you're going to keep your fingers in the pizza business, correct?
Well, of course. Of course, I'm always going to make pizza for the rest of my life. We actually looking maybe in a new location now in San Francisco, and it's going to be a completely different style of pizza, and we'll see. Maybe it's going.
So tell people, how can people find you?
Well, I'm going to let Albert know, and we're going to let you know where the location is. Right now it's a little bit secret because, you know, we don't want to take out the cat out of the bag yet. So we're going to wait a little bit more, but I will let you know for sure.
Okay, I'll put all the information below this video, and you can follow you on Facebook at Vallera Mario.
Mario Vallera, or on Instagram as well. Yeah, Mario's Pizza Party. So one big kiss to everybody, and yeah, enjoy life, guys.
Grazie, grazie.
Forza pizza, forza pizza. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, bello.